Guys, today I'll show you how to clear your Waze search history. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon to view your recent searches and destinations. If you only want to remove a specific search, find the location you want to delete. Then press and hold it for swipe left depending on your device and tap delete or remove. If you want to clear more of your search activity, tap Settings, then go to Privacy or Account and Activity depending on your version of Waze. Look for the option to clear your recent searches or search history, then confirm your selection if prompted. You can also remove saved locations like home or work by going to Settings, selecting My Places, and deleting or editing those saved addresses. Once you're done, close and reopen the Waze app to make sure your search history has been updated. And that's how to clear your Waze search history. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.